what you need for this DIY paint pen is an empty glue tube. If you do not have one, you can buy and remove all the glue and wash it with water thoroughly. Then, to make this small paint pen, you need this one. I bought it in a store that sells nail polish, and I bought this for only 20 pesos. Now, you can use the nail polish if you want before using this tube, or you just can throw it away. There. So, you have to remove all the nail polish. Then, we will wash it with nail polish remover. Put back the lid and shake it. Shake it very well. As you can see, it's not yet clean, so we'll add more acetone. Then, just like before, let's put the it and shake. So let's there.
Clap.
So it's not yet really clean, so let's add acetone one more time. Use the cotton buds to remove the nail polish on this part because it's hard to remove. You should remove all the nail polish on this part because it will block the paint later if you will not remove it. A toothpick will also help in this very small part. So there, it's already clean. Let's wash it with soap and water. There. And let's add some water. And put back the lid, and as we did earlier, shake. Remove the soap and rinse it with water. Now we have a clean tube, and we're going to put the latex paint inside. Since this is a very small tube and it has a very small opening, it's very hard to put paint inside. That's why I use a syringe there to put paint inside. Paint is very thick, so I'm going to add some water. You should add the water gradually. If it is latex, you will add water, but if it is enamel, you will add thinner. The tip of our pen is very small, that's why we need to thin the paint. So yan, bali dapat watery yung paint kasi mahihirapan pumasok dito sa syringe pag malapot. Tsaka mamahirapan din siya lumabas mamaya kapag malapot na. Yan. So ayan, puno na yung ating pen. So lagay na natin yung takip. Pwede ka nang mag-drawing, mag-lettering. Yan. So, kung sa paintbrush kasi, mahihirapan ka maglagay ng mga maliliit na detail. Tapos, sausaw ka ng sausaw sa paint. Tapos, ipapahid. Pero pag ito, dire-diretso siya. Dire-diretso ka ng magagawa. Oh my God! Yan. So, ganito din yung gagawin mo. Ay, ito pala, pag hindi natin siya ginagamit, ilagay natin tong pinaka-takip niya. Ayan. Kasi, titigas. Titigas yung paint pag nakatiwangwang lang. So, ilagay natin. So, isarahan natin. Yan. Para hindi tumagas yung pintura. Yan. Tapos ito pa yung pang-dobleng saraduhan niya. So, ganyan lang din yung gawin natin dito sa glue tube. I-ano lang din natin. So, may mga naka-ready na ako dito. Ito yung paint ko din na white. Nagtabi na ako para mga hinahaluan ko na yan ng tubig. Para kapag naubos, maglalagay na lang ako. Hindi na ako timpla ng timpla. Ito din. Ito yung black. Now, clean your syringe immediately so that the paint will not harden. Get some water, then release. There. Now,